This video tutorial I will explain what is Spring Boot. Imagine you are building a house. For that you need strong foundation, walls, a roof, plumbing, electricity and so on. Building all of this from scratch can be really time consuming and complicated. Now think of creating computer program like building a house. Then you need to set up the basic structure, handle connection to the database, deal with security and much more. This can be a lot of work, especially if you are starting from zero. Here is where Spring Boot comes in. We can think of Spring Boot as a magical construction kit for building software applications. Spring Boots provide you with pre-made pieces like pre-built walls, a solid foundation, plumbing and wiring. That pre-made pieces you can put together to build your program without starting everything from the scratch. In simpler terms, Spring Boot gives programmers a bunch of ready-made tools and templates to create software more easily. Spring Boot takes care of a lot of complex stuff in the background, so developers can focus on the unique and special parts of their program. It is like having set of Lego blocks that you can snap together to make a cool creation instead of trying to make each piece from the scratch. So Spring Boot helps developers to build software faster and with less stress by providing them with a bunch of pre-built parts that they can assemble into a working program. Just like you would use pre-made parts to build a house more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.